Oh, 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 easy girl. I know you're thirsty. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another video. So today we are cheating on Shell, my sponsor. We're at Chevron, which the price is extremely expensive. I'm with my boy Jay over here and his NASA. Today we are going to attempt to go somewhere else along the coast of California. I'm sure every place is going to be closed, but nonetheless, we out here. You ready, good sir? Alright, we gotta get moving because I have all my cold weather gear on and I am dying. Man, we have a beautiful day ahead of us, I hope. I must say, I put my earplugs in today exceptionally well. I can't hear anything. So I want to tell you guys a little bit about where I'm going before I get onto the highway, because it's going to be extremely windy again. We're headed down to the coast. He wants to go eat something. Unfortunately, it's Easter Sunday, so you ain't finding no place to eat. Guess I'm not going fast enough. One of the things I will say is we have to watch out more for cops. For some odd reason, a virus hits and the cops are out in force. So I'm going to stop talking right now, and once we get to a little slower spot where it's not all this freaking wind, I guess I can say I'll update you guys. Caught a little air in that one. That was kind of fun. They'll get there eventually. Man, I love when these highways are so empty. Come on, man. The one thing I will say about me riding with him is I really don't have to worry about him keeping up with me. Some people you do. You have to, you have to keep looking back and make sure they're riding with you. Oh God, this road. It's not the bumps. This is like the worst highway ever. There's a lot of people out right now. They expect this much to be out during Easter Sunday, especially with the virus happening. I really hope I'm going the right way. Knowing me, more than likely I'm not. God, this video is going to be all highway riding. This sucks. So I guess now it's going to be as good a time as any. So again, I apologize if it is very windy. It is an ugly, absolutely ugly day out today in this area. Everybody stay in your lane. Don't need to switch lanes. Sure what exit I'm supposed to be getting off. I forgot. So I did want to say something or talk about something. So I was watching a video by this dude. I think his Instagram is Nasty Nate. So he's a stunt bike rider. Well, he posted a video basically about motorcycles and how they saved his life, and it was a reason why. And I'm not saying the reason why the motorcycle saved his life, but it was a why of him. He went in, I'm not going to go into full detail of what he said, but he was talking about having a why. Like why do you do the things you do? Why? And he went into talking about how motorcycles saved his life from basically almost wanting to commit suicide. He hopped on a bike and he was saying that, as soon as he swung his leg up over the bike, he knew that was it. And it made me, I don't know, it made me really, really think, because I've gotten asked, why, after your accident, why do you get back on the bike? Isn't that, you're playing with fire. And it's one of those things where until you really, really ride, you're never going to understand why. Some motorcycles. Suckers. It's cold. It's a little chilly. Oh, my testicles in my fucking stomach. I'm actually gonna take my helmet off and STOP, I can't actually say the word, recording. So we will pick this video back up once we're out moving, and I'll continue to talk about what I was talking about. I didn't anticipate on finding a place this quickly. Usually I get lost. Anyway, I'm gonna take in these beautiful sights. You guys can see some of it. The water, actually not as cold as I thought. The water's probably cold. Oh, I'm getting splashed with water. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and STOP recording right now. And like I said, I'll pick this video back up once I'm back on a bike, and we'll continue this conversation, because it's kind of awkward that it just stopped and then gonna pick up randomly. Anyway. Second time cheating. So let's continue on with this video. I do apologize for it being just the most random stop. I tell you, I have a attention span of a child. But just to reiterate, he was talking about the why in life. Need a why in life. His why was his motorcycle. And then I got to thinking, my why is a little bit different than his, but I can tell you it's similar. It's different, but it's similar. It's hard to explain. Well, let me do my best. So I'll link the video up in the corner there. Definitely go and check it out. It's one of my older videos. Not something I was battling for quite some time, for a few months. And the only time I was actually free from whatever chain or anything was when I was on a bike. It's a sense of just freedom, as you can see. It's really changed my life. It's one of those things there that the group of people is so small that you relate to anyone. You relate to all types of bikes. We may joke about each other and everything, and it's just, you still can relate because you ride. And it's actually, it helped pull me from the state of whatever I was in. I get people asking me all the time, you know, even after my accident, why do you still continue to ride? Because I love it. It saves me. It keeps me sane, to be honest with you. And you always talk to people that don't ride, and you're like, oh, why don't you get into riding? It's a lot of fun. Oh, I'll kill myself on a bike. That is the poorest excuse that I've ever heard. If you're one of those people that do say, oh, I'll kill myself riding, I can't ride a bike, I know myself, I want to speed. No, you won't. I can 110% assure you're not just going to hop on a bike and do 200 miles an hour because of that fear of falling. Anytime I want to escape, I guess you can call it, you know, my demons, just hop on this bad boy right here. This thing always takes care of me. I guess I can say my why is kind of like motorcycles has really saved me, because I've grown so accustomed to wanting to ride as much as possible. It's why I started this channel. And I know my family doesn't want me to ride. They don't like when I ride, which is 100% okay. That's, I mean, I understand. I get it. But you all need a why in your life, and he's right. You know, what is your why? Why do you keep pushing forward? That's why I said I battled a lot this past year, and it was pretty stressful. I mean, there was times where I just didn't want to do anything. I just come home from work and I just sit there staring at the wall. Now I just feel like I'm just talking gibberish. But the moral of this was not for just motorcycles. Not a motorcycle's going to save your life. It may not. You know, it may not be the thing that's going to help you cope. The point is to find your why. Find that purpose. Because we all have a why in life. Every single human being on this planet has a why in life. You just have to find it. You have to figure it out. Whatever your hobby is that helps you get away. Some people use the gym as their probably gonna be super short too. I apologize, it's all highway riding. I want to ride around a little bit more. We got off to a late start today, so we're back to highway vlogging over here. I hate highway vlogging. Hi Jay, have a good day. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Hopefully you guys stay with me to the end, which, judging by my activity log, you haven't. But that's okay, I'm still gonna end it this way. Man, I'm full of rhymes lately. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you guys are aware when I upload a new video. Be sure to swing over to my second channel. That's all car stuff over there. So if you guys are into cars, go ahead and check it out. As always, I need you guys to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated in all of your life's goals. Always remember, success never comes easy. You guys gotta work your ass off for it. Just keep on working. I hope each and every single one of you guys are staying safe and staying healthy during this time. Your boy Machine here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. Killing the game and I gotta go ask any